In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an existing form to a list in ActiveCampaign. This is really useful if you already have a form set up, but you want anyone who submits it to be added to a particular email list without rebuilding anything from scratch. First, make sure you're logged into your ActiveCampaign account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look over to the left-hand side menu and click on the section labeled Website. This is where ActiveCampaign keeps all of your site-related tools, including your forms. Once you're in the website area, click on Forms. This will bring up a list of all the forms you've already created in your account. Take a moment to identify the exact form you want to connect to a list. This might be a newsletter sign-up, a lead magnet form, or a contact form you're already using on your site. Next, find that specific form in the list and click on Edit. This opens the form builder and settings for that one form. You don't need to change how the form looks. We're just going to adjust what happens after someone submits it. At the top right of the form editor, you'll see a tab called Options. Go ahead and click on Options. This is where you control the form's actions and automations. Look for the section labeled Form Action. Under this area, click the button that says Add Action. This lets you tell ActiveCampaign what to do every time someone fills out and submits this form. From the drop-down that appears, choose Subscribe to List. This action ensures that anyone who completes the form will automatically be added to one of your existing lists. After choosing Subscribe to List, you'll see a second drop-down where you can select your list. Click that drop-down and pick the specific list you want contacts to be subscribed to, such as your main newsletter list or a special campaign list. Take a second to double-check that you've chosen the correct one. Once you've selected your list, click Add to confirm this action. Now your form is officially configured to subscribe new contacts to that list. To make sure everything is properly updated, go to the top right and click on Integrate. This is where ActiveCampaign provides the embed code or other integration options if you're using this form on your website or landing pages. Finally, when you're done, click Save and Exit in the top right corner. This saves all your changes and takes you back out of the editor. Your existing form is now connected to your chosen list, and every new submission will be automatically added.